We'll pass the floor straight to the President, please.
I told you I am going to Qatar now, and I will put the attention of Qatar to the situation we are facing with all the letters or demands we are receiving, but also on their responsibility, which you have on this paper, which will be distributed later. We have plenty of time concerning Qatar. Because it is 2022, it is in 9 years. So everything what will be there for the time being, and I have said, confirmation, we play in Qatar, and we go forward.
Next, yep.
That there was some doubts if it is a good period to play in this heat. The Qatari organization still have given us assurances that they could play in 2022 in June, July, but they would look forward what is the decision of the FIFA. You know, it is for 2022, and I said at the beginning, we could have made this declaration that is too hot a little bit earlier. I take it on my responsibility that I could have said it before, but it's so much time to come,